today I'm in charge of the kitchen because mommy isn't feeling good and daddy's at the church. So yeah, let's get started. The first step is to put your chicken into the flour. I want to make this extra crunchy for Pete. Whoa, it got breaded so fast. Then into the egg. I don't use my hands because yeah, I don't want to get messy. But it's okay if you get messy, guys. Last step is into the breading. And this is the flour. Actually, Pete is over there playing. He's not in charge of the kitchen. He needs to grow up a bit still. But when he grows up, I'll teach him how to do this stuff. This is my last one, guys. But in the middle, it isn't sticky.
Okay lang yun kasi may harina naman yan. Magiging crunchy pa rin yan.
Hiya guys, while cooking the chicken, I'm gonna make the rice. Alright guys, so I wash the rice 2 times. And
To measure,
you will flatten the rice and then make sure it's all the way to here.
Okay. So make sure the rice and the water are equal. Okay.
Equal.
Yeah.
That looks good.
Okay, let's cook the rice.
Alright guys, so you put the rice into the rice cooker and then turn the switch on, and then yeah, let's just wait and let's cook chicken. Alright guys, so make sure your fire is on low heat and don't throw the chicken.
There, very good. High five.
Alright guys, the food is done and we have ice cream because mommy's tooth hurts. And yeah. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you.
I want to eat this ice cream right now. Bye-bye. Kung ikaw ay masaya, let's eat ice cream. Hey guys, I'm eating ice cream. That's all for the video. Bye.